Hello good people, welcome to my channel St. King Academy. Today's topic is on logs or logarithms. Okay, so there are four laws of logarithms. So let's start with law number one. So law number one is saying log A times log B is equals to log A plus log B. That's law number one. So let's say we are given that log 2 is equal to 0,301 and log 3 is equal to 0,477. Then I ask to find log 6. Right, so I want to find log 6 using log 2 and log 3. So log 6 is same as log 2 times log what? Times log 3. Remember, when we multiply, we add our logs here. So it's now log 2 plus log what? Plus log 3. So log 2 is same as what? 0,301 plus log 3 same as 0,477. So now let's add 7 plus 1, we get 8, 7 plus 0. That's 7, 3 plus 4, get 7, 0 plus 0. So log 6 is same as 0,778. Okay, let's say I ask to find log what? Find log 12 using what? 2 and 3. So log 12 is same as log 2 times log 2, that's 4. Then times log what? Times log 3. So 2 times 2, that's 4, times 3, we get 12. So whenever we multiply with 8, so it's now log 2 plus log 2 plus log what? Plus log 3. So log 2 is what? 0,01 plus 0,301 plus 0,477. So we are adding 1 plus 1, that's 2. Plus 7, you get what? You get 9. 0 plus 0 plus 7, you get 7. 4 plus 3, that's 7. 7 plus 3, you get what? 10. So it's now 0, then you carry 1. So log 12 is 1,079. So you guys, I want you to find log 9. Law number 2, it says log A divided by log B is same as log A minus log what? Minus log B. Remember, whenever we divide, we subtract. Right. So let's say we are given that log 2 is 0,301. and log 3 is 0,477. Then find log 1 and what? 1.5. Note that, always please note that log 1 is equals to 0 and log 10 is equals to 1. Then log 100 is equals to 2. Log 1000 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. You should always take note of this. Okay, so we want to find log 1 and 1/2. The same as log 1 times, so this one is a mixed fraction, so let's make it a what? An improper fraction by multiplying 1 times 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 times 2 we get 2, 2 plus 1 we get 3 over what? 3 over 2. So remember here we are dividing, so it's now log 3 minus log what? Log 2. Log 3 is 0,477 minus log 3, log 2 is 0,301. Let's subtract 7 minus 1, we get 6. 7 minus 0, we get 7. Then 4 minus 3, we get what? 1. 0 minus 0, that's 0. So log 1.5 is equals to 0,1 Example number 2, let's say you are given, you have to find log 0,5. Log 0,5. So log 0,5 is the same as log 5 over our main digits after the comma. They are 1, so we are dividing by what? By 10. So 0,5 is the same as 5 over what? 5 over 10. Then you can further simplify as 1 over what? 1 over 2. So we are saying it's log 1 minus log 2. Log 1, you mean like you say log 1 is what? Is 0. So we're going to say 0 minus log 2. 0,301. So 0 minus 0,301, we get minus 0,301. So that's log what? 0,5. So I want you to find log 1 over what? 1 over 3. Thank you. Okay, still on logarithms, and we are on law number 3. And law number 3, it is one of the most important laws on the laws of logarithms. Okay, so we are given log A raised to the power of B. So log A raised to the power of B will be same as we take power B to this side. So it's now B log what? B log A. Are we together? Then we are given log root what? Root A is same as log A raised to the power of 1/2. So we're going to take our power back here, which is going to be half log A. Okay? And we have our other example. We say log A to the power of what? Cube root of what? Of A. The same as A raised to the power of 1/3. So 1/3 to this side is now 1/3 log what? Log A. Okay. We are given that log 2 is equal to 0,301 and log 3 is equal to 0,477. Then you are asked to find log 4, log 9, log 32. Okay, so this one it's almost the same as law number 1. But what are we going to do? We are going to raise our powers here. For example, 4 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. So is our law states that we are going to put 2 here. So it's now 2 log what? Log 2. We're going to say 2 times. Log 2 is what? 0,301. So we're going to multiply 2 times 1, that's 2 times 0, 0, 6. So get 0,6 as log what? As log 4. What about log 9? Log 9 is same as 3 raised to the power of 2. Power back here, so it's now 2 log 3 and now 2 times. Log 3 is what? 0,477. 2 times 7, get 40, carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So it's 0,954. What about log 32? Log 32 is same as log 2 raised to the power of 5. So 5 to this side is now 5. Log 2 and 5 times log 2, 0,301. 5 times 1, you get 5. 5 times 0, you get 0. 5 times 3, we get 50. So 5, carry 1. Carry 1. 5 times 0, that's 0. Plus 1, that's 1. So it's now 1,505. That's log what? That's log 32. So you guys, I want you to find log 64 and log what? Log 27. Thank you. So we are on law number 4 on logarithms. Given that log A base A is equals to what? 1. If a log and a base are of the same, we get 1. For example, log 6, base 6, we get 1. Okay, and always note that If a number is no base, it means it is in base 10. Okay, so you are asked to find log 32 base 2. Log 32 base 2. So what are we going to do? We're going to say log 32 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 5 base 2. Remember log number 3, we say this power will go to this side, so it's now 5 log 1, 2 base 2. So we have same log and the same base. They cancel, we get what? We get 1. So it's now 5 times 1, we get 5. Okay? Let's say you are given, find log 1 over 4 base 1, base 2. Okay? Are we together? So it's now log 1 over 4 is same as 2 raised to the power of 2 base 2. So we want to find what? We want to find, it will say evaluate. Evaluate. We want to find the value of log 1 over 4. Remember, on laws of indices, they say a over b raised to the power of minus c. To get rid of this negative power, it will be b over a raised to the power of c. Okay, so right here we're going to say log. So this one here is what? Our negative power. So we're going to remove this 1 over, and it will be 2 raised to the power of minus 2 base 2. For example, 2 raised to the power of minus 2, the same way as 2 over 1 raised to the power of minus 2. To get rid of this negative power, we are going to say 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1, raised to the power of 2. So we are taking it from here to here. So it's now log 2 raised to the power of minus 2 base 2. Power to this side, negative 2, log what? 2 base 2. A log is going to have the same base, so they cancel, we get 1, so we get minus what? Minus